Using the L-bar sealer, the cutting boards are fully enclosed and sealed in shrink wrap film. After the seal has been made, the cutting boards travel down the conveyor belt and enter into the heat shrink tunnel. As the cutting boards travel through the tunnel, the film is shrunk by the heat, the end result being a nicely and tightly wrapped product. Thank you for watching.